Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk to you guys about insects, more specifically the study of insects, which is called entomology. So today we are catching some insects along the banks of the Lackawanna River, and in order to catch insects we use butterfly nets. And transferring the bugs from the net to a container can be kind of tricky, so most of the time we use containers called vials. Depending on how big the bug is, we can use bigger vials with blue lids. If the bug's on the smaller side, we use clear vials called Eppendorf tubes, and sometimes we can even use bigger containers like recycled glass jars.
After we collect insects, we put them into collections where they are identified according to their order and family. Identifying animals and sorting them into groups is important in taxonomy. Order and family are both part of taxonomy rank. There are eight taxonomic ranks: domain, kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. It is also very important to note where and when the bug was found. To do this, we record the location and GPS coordinates of where the bug was collected and the day it was collected. It is important to collect all of this information because it provides scientists with records of insect populations. A change in these populations can have large impacts on the environment.
While we were catching insects today, we caught a wasp. In the jar you can see a yellow jacket flying around. Wasps are part of the order Hymenoptera in the family Vespidae. The order Hymenoptera contains ants, bees, and wasps. The family Vespidae contains many social and solitary wasps. Because these wasps share many characteristics, they have been sorted into the same family. Many different members of Hymenoptera have black and yellow coloring. However, we can tell this is a yellow jacket for a few reasons. We can see that it has a black, unstriped thorax and a very distinctive color pattern on the abdomen. Additionally, its waist is constricted, which is a characteristic of wasps.
Here is an example of a pinned yellow jacket. While this bug doesn't have a tag yet, an example tag is on the screen. The tag contains a lot of useful information. This information tells you where the wasp was collected: in the United States, in the state of Pennsylvania, in Lackawanna County, at the Lackawanna River, along with the GPS coordinates at the end. This information tells you the date that it was collected and who collected it. In this case, we collected it on October 13th, 2020. This information tells you how it was collected. In this case, we used a net. As we said before, all of the information on the tag is really important because it provides scientists with records of insect populations that can have large impacts on the environment.
Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed this introduction into entomology.